Everything is literally done in this place.
Believe in yourself and forge ahead. Believe in yourself and forge ahead.
Let's get some random ass wood. Yeah, I can craft gear for like other things, but I can't use it, so it doesn't really matter.
Believe in yourself and forge ahead.
Anyways, let's check out that one corner over there. Might as well. And while actually no, I won't put on equipment or gear right now. To unlock artists. I mean, I haven't been decorating my home at all, so I have a bunch of the stuff though. I mean, I could just throw it in. It starts with W and ends with Bell. How do I... I don't think you can swim over here, can you? Let me drop down right there. Can you? I don't think I can get there right now.
Spirits, guide and watch over me.